And it's the morning after the wedding the night before. And it's somebody else's special day today. Little George. Water. What? Cups anywhere. Little Romy. Happy birthday, Romy.
Yes, Emily,
how old are you today, Romy? All good and good. She's 3. 3. And Max, what are you doing? Father of the daughter whose birthday it is? Knocking up some fluffy pancakes for my little princess. It's very good. Not enough fruit there if you don't mind driving to the shops and getting a little. Is that a dig? Hey, drive now. Oh, you got a driving license? I got a driving license. I'm driving. There's Gio. How are you feeling this morning, George? I'm good. Are you alright? Yeah, I heard you. Right. My foot hurts. I heard you. And this is the destruction from there. Actually, it's looking pretty good. We didn't do any of this, by the way, as in cleaning it all up. So they've got bacon rolls, and there's Joe still in his suit. Just that was a quick moment. But how are you? First day being married?
Get that support.
Feels great.
The
girls
do you have a nice wedding yesterday?
It was amazing. Can't wait to see the vlog.
What? My leg went today.
Good day, Joe?
Good day, yeah.
Still in your suit. Must have been a good night.
Don't ask me about last night. Don't tell me how I got home.
I want to know.
Well, you tell me, actually.
Yep. And this is the city walls of Chester, Rudy. The Roman walls. Or should I say, Canis Rudy. Rudy dog. Mum, how are you liking Chester so far?
I love it. I love Chester.
Oh, have you been?
I've spent about 6 weeks here.
Well, living here?
Yeah, working here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
That's what I say. I know this one bit.
Bringing up the rear. I see your fit, George. Socks and sandals.
I was with her.
What's wrong with that? You're not out of breath. Anyway, Chester. And this is Chester Racecourse. Oh, look at all those people. I've never seen so many people in my life.
They just look like grains of rice to us.
And they've all got funny accents.
Oh my god. Just take card.
Well, now you do a full accent.
Yeah, of course.
I hope he does. And now it's dinner time. Hattie and Jack's turn today. Pesto pasta with a salad. Hattie, talk me through the process.
Well,
Oh, I'm too low.
I stood and looked pretty while Jack made all the food.
And there's also Romy's birthday meal. Happy birthday, Romy.
Thank you, looks wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks guys.
He just wants all those skills.
Is it veggie?
Of course.
Ooh. You got a side of meat?
Homegrown foods.
Good?
These are in.
All right. Good to see them.
Birthday to you. Hooray! Go on then, play them out.
I think it's someone make a wish.
I got this one out.
Make a wish.
Maybe head up.
And there's the bad.
Are you going to do it? Oh, you're doing a video.
Hello.
We didn't consent to this. You can't just...
Oh, I did it. I've done
Now what do we
it.
say?
I did a picture. Hello, everyone.
We can only do still shots.
Hi, lovely.
Hi. Happy wedding.
Yeah, lovely.
Congratulations, Jessie and JJ.
Thank you for the lovely Nigel and
Thank you for a lovely wedding.
We're here. Yeah. Thank you, Jessie.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome to our house.
Thank you, God, for creating us.
Thanks, Evie.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh. So we have just arrived in Wrexham, and we just saw something that I never thought I'd see in my life. A tame raven. And the lady, she was feeding it out of a tin can. Feeding it tuna.
It was called Reagan.
Reagan? I thought it was Drago.
Drago?
Oh,
Maybe. And this is Wrexham. This is.
You should try to get an actual video of the raven if you can.
I'll try and get a picture, a video.
It's all like Christian.
Let's go see the, as the Doctor Who would say, face the raven.
What about Raven the game?
And at the, and what was it, George? And at the battle commence. The way of the warrior. Wow. And we finally reached the Holy Grail, the Stolkeiras, the racecourse ground. Bring on the Deadpool. There you go, look at that. That's all your work. It's always sunny. And Rob. Ryan. We're going to go into the pub hopefully. Let's see what happens. So this is the world famous Wrexham. Ryan and Rob. Wow.
George.
Wow.
Will Ferrell.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's Will Ferrell.
That's Will Ferrell.
It's Will, yeah, of course it is. E4 Williams.
Oh, it's a Deadpool mask.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to touch it, Emily.
Oh, sorry. I'm like, hey. Yes.
Oh, there's the Patagonia people, the Welsh community. Wow, nice. And this is dinner today, a bit of a hodgepodge dinner, as I say.
Isn't it very colourful? It's nice and green.
Yeah, this is actually the beans that I made. I drenched them in balsamic and glaze. And I don't know, this is me and Max just had a bit of a rough and tumble outside. And there's my hand. Can you see it?
I haven't seen you go fight back to that, Oscar.
Pardon? You never seen me fight back so hard, look.
The beans are not that
Can you see?
Oscar?
What? The green beans or the baked beans?
green.
Well, they're actually delicious kicks. I made them. Max, how's your face? It's always like that.
What do you mean you made them? Do you mean you
I grew them.
I'll be pressing charges.
This is just how every day ends. Playing plot paired. Max is probably the loser at the moment.
Nice.
Oh, no, maybe not. George is picking up.
I'm out.
Happy out. So me, Emily and Hattie are out.
What could I?
Good one.
Go on, Mum. Ooh.
Glass.
And we're going to Liverpool tomorrow. Ain't that right? Why? And this is our last day of the holiday. Look, there's Kit. We're going to... Where are we going, Kit? What city?
Little submarine.
Yeah, Liverpool. Well done. We're going to Liverpool. And we're just going to get the train from Penny Ford.
And we're just at the platform.
We're just at the platform. Anything you want to say to them, Kit?
We had to cross the track.
We had to cross the track. Yeah, you're right.
Everything
Over there.
I ate in
Well done.
Manchester.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
Everything I ate in
And we finally made it to Liverpool. Liverpool. Here we go. Submarine. George Submarine. The George Submarine. And if I'm not mistaken, Eurovision was hosted here a few years ago.
That's the tape.
2023. Wow, that's the tape. Wow. This is nice. Liverpool. Who knew? Do do do.
Scooters, Oscar.
I don't think so. And here is John, Paul, Ringo, and Charlie. Is that their names? Look. Wow. There they are. Wow. And this kit. Do you know what river this is? The River Mersey. I didn't realise how wide it was.
No, it's the river from London.
It's not. It's not
River
the Thames.
Yeah, it could be the River Thames.
It's not. It's the River Mersey. The River Mersey. That's Bostadders. And
Get coffee on. Yeah, I said that to him. I want a coffee.
and there's a building and a pastry. Oh yeah.
Bap.
Oh nice. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe Ringo and Paul will be here. In a yellow submarine, we all live in a yellow submarine. A yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine. A yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. And we're at the food court, Jay Rayner's recommended food court. Is that right, Max?
What is it?
Jay Rayner's recommended food court.
He hated it.
Oh. Well, we've come to get some wings. I've got tendies, Korean bar. I think we all get the same wings. We all get the same flavour.
George's.
That's George's. Kit, is yours nice? It's good.
I'm missing and hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I wait, I ride home every day.
Cabin Club was really good. I don't feel like I've shown you much of Liverpool, but there's some of Liverpool, I guess. I feel like I...
Cabin Club on there.
Pardon?
You get any recordings of the Cabin
Not
Club?
really. I got one on my phone. I'll try and show you, but it was really cool in there. The bins? Is that what you wanted to see of Liverpool? Anyway, I recommend Liverpool, guys. Right, so we just came to Biston. We're on the train. We're about to go back to Liverpool. Kit, how do you find Liverpool?
Good.
Yeah, what's your favourite part?
Getting more yellow submarine.
Okay, new yellow submarine. Can we see the yellow submarine? Is it in here?
Yes.
Well, can you find it for me?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not in the bag. Where is it, Max?
No, it's not in that purple.
Oh, here it is, Kit.
I'm with my shit.
Oh, it's a train. Is this our train? The train here.
Can you put
It's not yet. Let's go.
Okay, well that's on the train and I'm doing my stickers and we just forgot one sticker, so I'm going to turn over
Timo Werner and
we're missing one of the clothes and my stickers are superheroes.
And what superhero is it?
Major Laser and he's a baddie. Yeah, he has lasers.
Me? So I'm in it. Be careful though. Make sure he holds it properly. Hi everyone, we're on the train here back to Wales. Kit's the videographer today, and we're just looking at the children's quiz in the Saturday. Did you have a nice time in Liverpool, Kit? Let me put it on you. You have a nice time? What was your favourite part?
Oh, I said that already. I said that so many. No, don't close it yet.
Okay.
No.
It's not closed, it's not closed. It's on me. Put it on me.
I'm seeing the pictures.
Okay. Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing a video?
last stop.
Hi. Oh, who's that on the phone? It's Angel. It's Piper. Hello, Piper. I've got Kit on the line here. Have you got something to say to him? She thinks your farts are very smelly, Kit.
No, your farts are very smelly.
Oh, Piper! He said your farts are smelly. he said you're not allowed back in the nursery, Kit.
Let Kit speak, Piper.
Well, I'm never going back to nursery.
He said he's never going back to nursery.
Let Kit speak, Piper.
We will be travelling to
No. Oh, that's lost signal.
Wrexham Central.
Max is leaving now. Bye, Max. Have you a nice time?
Should we go and open the gate for us?
Kit, do you have a nice time here? Bye.
Bye, Kit. Have a good journey home. Fall asleep straight away.
Come here.
Bye. Really here.
Bye, Kit. And so we've come for our last meal at the Bridge Inn. Bridge Inn. In Pontypandy or Pontyford. And George, what are you having?
We're having fish cakes.
I'm having a fish cake. Nettie, what are you having?
I'm having a fish cake.
Mum, what are you having?
Fish cakes.
Michael?
Pie.
Jack?
Fish cake? No, burger.
Burger.
Oh, yeah.
So the fish cake wins. Let's see whose is the best,
Yesterday?
Decent. Food's very nice.
Fish cake's nice.
Yeah, cheers. And we're just finishing off with the card game. And it's the end of the holiday. We've got to drive tomorrow. Maybe I'll just do a little video for that. Mum's driving. How was everyone's holiday? My highlight was Jessie's wedding.
I just said that. I already gave the highlight.
No.
You can't give the whole wedding. Like, is there a specific moment in the wedding?
Okay, seeing Jessie so happy
Yeah.
was my highlight.
Okay, mine was seeing JJ so happy because he doesn't get the attention sometimes, and I think he deserved it.
Oh, he kept on the run.
He looked amazing.
Mine was at the wedding. I got 2 bits of salmon, which was. Really
I got some halloumi. That was pretty good.
Yeah, that was
Actually,
really good.
2 steaks.
Two steaks.
I took Maisie for halloumi.
Why didn't Maisie want her halloumi?
Scrap mine actually. Scrap mine 2 steaks.
She didn't want it.
All right.
Mum, what was yours?
And also just as well.
Mine was the cupcakes.
Mine was also seeing Lindsay happy.
Yeah, Lindsay's poem.
Lindsay
that
was-
Oh, Lindsay's poem, yeah, definitely.
You already said yours. No, you said
Speech.
you said cupcakes.
It was only because you were here
You
with
said
me.
cupcakes.
I just was being
Jessie
polite.
playing the saxophone.
Yeah,
There's
And
lots.
Lovely
We had a lot
Dress.
of
I
highlights.
actually
And
missed
Joe-
Jess's saxophone.
And Joe walking Jessie
Anyway,
down the aisle.
thanks for a nice holiday,
I
guys.
imagine holding that can of
Beer.
Sam Miguel. Yeah, that was pretty good. Yeah,
That was
all right.
hilarious.
Well, guess you'll see you soon. Yeah, bye everyone.
See you next
Bye.
When Hattie has a baby.
Baby.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
I should just show you that I had to. This is for my own memory. Look at all those wasps that were in my room that I killed. I mean, I think there's a nest over there that I killed. I don't know how many there is, about 12, 13. And I got stung a couple of times, but who really won, eh? Right, we're literally about to leave, but I'm going to give you a quick house tour because I want to show you. Okay, anyway, come in. Hall. Front sitting room. Through here we've got the garden. Into here is the kitchen. There's Mum getting ready to go. We've got to go. But there's the kitchen. Into the hall. Back little snug room which we watch the Olympics in. Up the stairs we go. Look at these lovely windows and high ceilings and beams and steep stairs. This was George and Emily's room, the bunk bed room. Wow. This was Max, Holly, Kit and Romy's room, the nice room with a single bed and double bed. Wow. And beams, more beams. Beams, beams, beams. Over here, we've got Hattie and Jack's room, the master room. And this is a bathroom. Another bathroom, but George is in there. And then up the stairs was up to my little hovel. With low ceilings. And beams everywhere. And I had to cross a beam to get to my bed. But this is my room. The little sofa bed which I couldn't fit on. And up here was the wasp nest. And actually they've started making themselves a bit more known now. So I better get out of here before I get stung again. And in here was Mum and Dad's room, which was adjoining to mine. Nice, lovely house. Thanks.